What's going on, YouTube? I just thought I'd feed my bearded dragon, Spike. You guys haven't seen her. Yes, her. I found out Spike is a she. Aren't ya? Spike's a dinosaur. Just gonna do a little feeding video here. I'm gonna show off Spike a little bit more before we get to the feeding colors. Some real nice orange going down the side. A little bit of a problem on the tail, but don't worry, we got antibiotics for that kind of shit. Antibiotics are the shit. Oh, hell yeah. Let's get to the feeding pot, shall we? Oh, fucking A. Get the fucking cricket. Get that fucking cricket. Where are you going? There's a cricket on your head. Oh, fucking A. Get that cricket for you. Got that cricket. Wow, Spike, this is boring as fuck. Oh, fucking A. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yeah, you're eating the shit out of these fucking crickets. Fucking A. Fuck yes. Woo! Fuck, oh, yeah. Holy shit. Oh, holy fucking shit, you were going fucking crazy. No, not really. Fucking move, lazy ass. Get those crickets. Get them motherfuckers. Wow. As you can see, I got Spike in just this fucking tub. Shut the fuck up, crickets. Fuck you, pieces of shit. Oh, hell yeah. Da-na-na-na. Oh yeah, fucking A. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. When my reptiles eat, I get fucking pumped. Cricket over there. Magical flying cricket. Another magical flying cricket. Well, that's pretty much it for this whole fucking Spike eating shit. Alright, my YouTube followers or people who just stopped by to see this, hit the fucking like button if you like bearded dragons with fucking colors. Oh, hell yeah. Say, oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. See, even Spike says, oh, hell yeah. So that means you gotta fucking hit that like button. Or just go ahead and hit that sub. I think it's right here. Sub that shit. Oh, fucking yeah. Fuck yeah. Alright. Peace out, YouTube.